So you must have full faith in Sahaja Yoga, in me, and in yourself. Those who do not have faith in themselves, how can they have faith in others? This is another one thing you must understand, that you have tremendous powers. Tremendous powers if you have faith. You just pray. Mother, I want this gentleman to be cured or this lady to be cured. It will be cured. You don't have to even touch that person. But your faith. Like yesterday they brought one lady. I was very busy, I was talking, doing this. These are the only 2-3 days when I have to really work very hard with other problems. And I couldn't see her. I said, why don't you go and cure? You can cure. Why should any Sahaja Yogi suffer from anything when there are other Sahaja Yogis? Why should I cure anymore? You all just put your hands and see if you can cure or not. Even your prayers are so powerful, you have no idea. Just pray. You have got the parsha in your hand, and nobody can harm. And you have got the hand that can bless others. You have got that. You start your generosity and see, the Lakshmi will flow. But if you are not generous, calculating each and every pie, finished. Why should you? The Lakshmi will serve you. Know your powers. As Sri Ganesha knew it very well. He never bothered. Even with an elephant head, he managed so many things. With human heads, you should manage much better. But you need elephant heads. Then another thing he has, that he is a satisfied person, extremely satisfied. And what he eats is the modaka they have given me just now here, is the modaka he eats. So, that means that he eats something which is substantial, which has got all these dry fruits and everything in it. That's what he eats. And that is one capacity he has to eat, because you can please him by giving him things. But mine is the other way around. I can't eat much and you want to give me. I don't know, he has taken all my capacity to eat, I think. But he can eat well. And whatever you eat, if you think of him, Sri Ganesha, I offer you this food also. You will never find dearth of food at all. Never. Anything you want, like the other day it was very hot. They said, Mother, cool it down. I said, all right. As soon as I cooled it down, left to the right, Sri Ganesha comes up. So he came with full force. He cooled it down and rained and rained and rained. Brought water also, because there was no water in these streams. You had to do your foot soaking, so water came also. And water testing, it in one thing, how much happened? He tested you, he saw you, nothing happened. Even a little tent was not blown off. It was all fun. This is what is that you are also a testing ground for others. Immediately you will know what sort of a man is. You are so powerful. Use your powers. Use your powers. But what happens if your attention is on other things? It's not pure. Attention is on other. Keep attention on Sri Ganesh. Keep attention on me. Everything will work out. Why should you work when he is there to work out everything for you? His ganas are there to work out for you. So put your attention in such a way that you know you are alert, daksha. You are alert. You know where is your attention. And then you see the attention, how it works. I never expected that I'll mature you so fast, but you have matured. But unless until you know yourself fully what you have got, How am I to give you certificate? Even if I give certificate, you won't believe. Like they say, you are graduated. Now you are not only graduated, but you are masters. Otherwise, I would never have told you to ask for Guru Pada. You are Pravinas now. Praveen means a master. Use your mastery. But still you are sitting at home, this, that. My father is sick. Go and treat him. You are a master. Like Sri Ganesha, such a little thing like that is the master. You are also masters. The ladies also should know they are also masters. That is the master. You are also masters. The ladies also should know they are also masters. Instead of getting involved into smaller things and brick bats and all that, tries. Another great quality of him is that he uses his teeth to write. Teeth come to you from Sri Krishna. Wisdom of Sri Krishna, which becomes the Virat, the brain. So he uses the teeth to write. He wrote Mahabharata with his teeth. So it is said that you must use your brain with the enlightenment of Sri Krishna and write and produce it into books. All these gurus have been successful because they created books. And these books were read by people and they were so much impressed because anything black and white becomes something great. Nice dramas as we had made.